Hey friends, this is Neha, your nutritionist and lifestyle educator. And by now you all know how much I propagate eating healthy for a healthy body. But along with eating healthy, you also need to have your mind and soul aligned and healthy. And with that, my dear friend Neeraj Shah has helped me a lot. Neeraj Shah is a small business mentor who helps small businesses to grow by 7 figures. So hi Neeraj and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for being here.
Thanks so much.
You know, Neeraj has really helped me with one thing, that is the hour of power, which has helped me to improve as a person, and it has also helped me personally and professionally to grow. So I was really excited to have Neeraj on my channel to help you out with this hour of power so that you could learn and make your lives a better place. So Neeraj, it would be great if you could introduce your hour of power concept to my viewers so that they could also benefit.
Sure, it'd be my pleasure.
Yes.
Look, this is the best way to kickstart your day.
Right.
Everyone wants to be productive, no matter what they're doing.
Exactly.
So what we found is that instead of focusing on time, you know, the key thing that you want to focus on is energy.
Energy.
And there's key aspects in that. So look at productivity as a formula. Energy times time equals productivity.
Exactly.
Now, for all of us, time is fixed, right? We've only got 24 hours in the day. Yes. So what can we do? We can expand energy, and if we're able to expand energy, we're able to be a lot more productive.
Exactly. You could achieve a lot more, I think, in the same frame of time.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And if you've got energy, what are the levels of energy that we're talking about?
Right.
First is the physical energy. Second is the mental and emotional energy. And third is like the spirit energy.
The spirit energy. So the mind, body and soul.
Absolutely.
Great.
You've got all three of them.
Yes.
And the hour of power takes care of all three of them.
So what do we do in this hour of power? Why are we calling it an hour of power?
So it's divided into 3 elements.
Right.
And it's 60 minutes and 20 minutes each. So that's how we divided the 3.
And what are the 20 minutes all about, the 320 minutes?
So the first 20 minutes is all about exercise.
Okay.
You want to have some exercise in a way that kickstarts your body.
Yes.
Releases the happy endorphins.
Exactly.
Dopamine, you
Yes.
know, inspiration chemicals. So that's a key to getting started. So that's a wonderful way to do it. And I use 2 different types of exercises. One is rebounding, which is bouncing on a rebounder or a mini trampoline.
Wow.
Yeah,
That's amazing.
A lot of fun. You know, just checking out when you do that. 20 minutes on a rebounder is equivalent of running for 1 hour.
Wow. 20 minutes on a trampoline is equal to running for 1 hour. Guys, make a note of that.
So it's really effective, and NASA has done a lot of tests on this and found some 33 other benefits.
So how many minutes do you do this trampoline for?
Typically, I would do it for about 5 minutes if I'm doing a warm-up, and then I'm doing some other high-intensity interval training, like Tabata.
Okay.
And if I'm not doing that, then I might do this for 20 minutes.
Trampoline for 20 minutes.
Yes.
Wow. So either you do a trampoline for 5 minutes followed by a high intensity exercise, or you do the trampoline for 20 minutes. Amazing. Then what's the next 20 minutes?
In the next 20 minutes, it's all about reflection. And the way I do that is really have either a gratitude journal.
Wow.
So you're able to write about all the things that are blessings in your life.
Yeah, we all are blessed with a lot of things in our life, but we don't realize about that, I think.
Yeah, we don't take time to really acknowledge those
it.
particular
Exactly.
things. And it's really taking time to feel those particular blessings.
Right.
And also prepave the day. So look at how you'd like to have the day. Imagine playing a little film of the things that you're going to do.
Right.
But all of them working out really well.
Right.
So it's like sprinkling some fairy dust.
Right.
And seeing all of it work out superbly well.
So basically you're saying visioning your life in a positive manner and thanking for what you have, and then having a vision of where you want to be, how you want to be in life, and then working towards your goal.
Absolutely. And what will happen is you'll start out happy,
Right.
And happiness is the rocket fuel for success.
Of course, you're happy, you're successful. There's no two ways about it.
Yeah, and unfortunately, most people get it the other way around.
Exactly.
They're trying to achieve
To be happy.
successful,
Yeah.
so that they can be happy.
Exactly.
But it's the other way around.
It's the other way
So
around.
this is a great way, and if you do this, you can increase your happiness set point by 25%.
Amazing. So you just write all the things you're thankful about and you vision your life ahead.
Yes,
so
absolutely.
that's the next 20 minutes. And then the third 20 minutes?
Third 20 minutes, Robin Sharma, one of my mentors, taught me one very powerful way to do this.
Right.
He said, if you want to double your income, you've got to triple your learning.
Wow.
And 20 minutes I just leave for learning. It could be something personal development or professional development.
Right. So you read
Yeah,
or you...
I read, it could be an audio program, it could be a video program.
Oh, amazing.
So I have certain things that I want to accomplish.
Right.
And I make progress on that.
Wow, that's truly amazing, Neeraj, and that was great information. But tell me, is this hour of power something that you can do at any time of the day, or you're supposed to do it only in the morning or evening, or when?
It's definitely a morning routine that you want to set up. You want to make sure that you do this in the morning for two reasons. First of all, your mind is very receptive at that time, so it's a great way in which you're able to program it. And what happens is you start out productive. It sets the base and tone for the day. And you can remain and stay productive
throughout the day. Okay. Yeah. And what if somebody just doesn't have the time? Today everyone's running a busy life, and what if they don't have time, they're pressed on time and they don't have 1 hour on them? What do they do?
Yeah, in fact, there are some days where I don't have time.
Right.
So what I do is I just do 15 minutes of fulfillment.
Okay.
So I essentially just break all of those down into 5 minutes each. So I do a 5-minute exercise, might be a HIIT Tabata.
Right.
And then I'll do 5 minutes of meditation or 5 minutes of gratitude.
Right.
And then I'll just watch a 5-minute learning video.
Wow. So guys, for all those who don't have 1 hour on them, you know what to do then. You can break it down to 15 minutes and still do this routine if you want to set your tone right for the day. So guys, this was amazing. Thank you once again, Neeraj, for being here. And guys, as usual, if you found this informative, don't forget to give it a big like. Share it with all your friends and family. Let us know in the comment below what are your morning routines or rituals like. And subscribe to my channel for more such videos. And if you want to know more about Neeraj, all his blog, description, YouTube channel and website is given below. Do make sure you take his help to grow personally, professionally and in all walks of life, because he's a great mentor.
Thank you.